On June 17, 1961, India witnessed the inaugural flight of its first indigenous fighter aircraft crafted by Hindustan Aircraft Limited. Despite HAL's long-standing presence in aircraft manufacturing post-independence, India lacked a supersonic fighter jet, causing concern for Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Seeking expertise, Nehru engaged German scientist Kurt Tank, renowned for his World War II fighter planes designs. Tank arrived in India in August 1956 and collaborated with HAL's engineers. After 2 years of dedicated efforts, the indigenous fighter aircraft, named HF-24 MARUT, successfully took to the skies in 1961, marking a milestone in India's aviation history. Rajmata Jijabai, mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and revered as Jijamata or Jijabai, passed away on June 17, 1674. Born on January 12, 1598, in Sindh to Lakhuji Jadhav, a prominent Maratha leader, she married Shahaji Bhosle. Jijabai was not only the mother of Shivaji but also served as his mentor and source of inspiration. Her life was a testament to resilience and sacrifice, imparting crucial values to her son, who later became the revered Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, a champion of Hindu society. Celebrated nationwide, her birth anniversary observed as Rajmata Jijao Jayanti.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
Gopabandhu Das, known as Utkal Mahi and revered as a social worker, freedom fighter and literary figure of Odisha, passed away on June 17, 1928. Born on October 9, 1877 in Puri district, he dedicated his life to serving the needy and promoting Odia language, literature and culture. Active in India's freedom struggle, he endured multiple imprisonments, including a significant period in Hazaribagh jail from 1922 to 1924, known as Satyavadi Yug in Odisha. Admired by leaders like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and Mahatma Gandhi, Gopabandhu Das bequeathed his press and the Samaj newspaper to the servants of the People's Society before his demise at 51, wishing it to continue serving the people's welfare. On June 17, 1885, the Statue of Liberty arrived in America as a gift from France. Designed by French politician Edouard de la Boulaye and sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, with its metal framework crafted by Gustave Eiffel, the statue symbolizes freedom and democracy. Located in New York Harbor, it represents Libertas, the Roman goddess of freedom, holding a torch and a book inscribed with America's independence date. France presented the statue in America's centennial as a token of friendship. To transport it, the statue was disassembled into 350 parts, crowdfunded for its creation and assembled in New York, where it was unveiled on October 28, 1886, weighing over 200 tons. On June 17, 1947, Myanmar declared itself a republic. Myanmar was under British colonial rule for a long time. In 1852, the British took complete control of Myanmar, and in the year 1886, the whole of Myanmar was merged with British India. Then in 1937, the British separated Myanmar from British India. Then on 4 January 1948, Myanmar gained independence from the British Empire. After independence, Myanmar adopted parliamentary democracy, but due to internal conflict and instability, many challenges arose in the country. In 1962, through a military coup, the general seized power and established a military regime. Then in 2015, elections were held But the conflict and instability between the military and civilian government continued. At the same time, in the year 2021, there was a military coup again in Myanmar and the democratically elected government was removed.